Hello, middle school families. I'd like to welcome you to the 22-23 school year and introduce myself. My name is Kelly Watts, and I'm one of the new assistant principals here at the middle school. If my name looks a little bit familiar to you, that's because I am moving up from the elementary school. I've been with Insight since 2019, and I've been in cyber education since 2010. So I'm very excited to be part of the school year with you and look forward to connecting with you and your student and helping you throughout the school year. A little bit about myself. I live in the Pittsburgh area with my husband and children, and our new puppy, if you can hear in the background, Charlie. She just joined our family this summer, and she keeps us very busy. I completely understand the challenges of life, work, and helping your children with school and balancing all of that. So if there's anything that I can do to support you in that area, please do not hesitate to reach out. My name, my email address, and my phone number are all in the body of this newsletter, so please take note of that, hold on to it, and if there's anything that I can do for you, please reach out to me. I hope you have a wonderful school year, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.